So I'm done and I'm loving it.
Hello guys, Beatrice.
Yes! Welcome to our second video. Welcome back, guys! So today's video is going to be on how I do my own individual lashes at home by myself with the products I bought on Amazon for under $30. Before I get started, I do want to say that I probably recommend you going to an expert instead of doing it yourself, just because experts are experts for a reason. But if you want to do something budget friendly and you trust yourself to do a good job, and also if you're a perfectionist like myself, then you can go ahead and watch this video and see how I do it, and maybe it will help you figure out how you can do it too. Right? Roll the clip. The first product is from Maybelline Beauty Eternal Fashion Journey, and it's the Super Matte Flat Lashes, and it looks like this. Now they're 7 millimeters all the way up to 15 millimeters, and the one I'm going to be using is 9, 10, and 11. The second product is from ELLOCY, and it's the eyelash extension glue in sensitive and extra strong. Now this is supposed to be used for experts only, so it does burn your eyes if you don't close your eyes, but you can't really do it for yourself without closing your eyes. So you're gonna see later when I'm applying my lashes, I literally hold up my eye like this and I blow like that so it doesn't touch my eyeball, and this way it doesn't burn. The first time I did this, girl, there were streams of tears going down my face. So don't do that. Learn from me and my mistakes. Now the next and the last product you need are these eyelash tweezers. And I actually used regular tweezers the first time I applied my lashes, and there's really not much difference between these tweezers and the regular tweezers. But oh, sorry, I just poked myself. Now I think with my lack of equipment, it will show you guys how you can do your own lashes without having all these kits and having all these equipments, and that is actually not that hard to do yourself. So let's just get to it. You just blow. The first one is on. So I found that when I go from underneath my lash, that it actually sticks on longer than when I go from on top of my lashes, because when I apply from on top of my lashes, it gives the fake illusion that it's actually sticking to my real lash and it's just actually laying on top, and then it just falls off within the next few minutes. It's actually really hard for me to do this in the camera, so I'm going to do it in the mirror and then I'll update you guys as I go. Okay, so I finished applying my 11 millimeter lashes, and this is how it looks. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to go back and fill it out with the 10 millimeter lashes, starting from the outside all the way to this lash, and I'll see you in a little bit. Don't forget to hold up your eyelids, guys. It burns if you don't. Oh my god. Whoa. It burns. Okay guys, so I put in my 11s and my 10s, and now I'm just gonna go back and put in my 9s in the front, and also put in some 9s in some of the empty slots I still have, just to make it look more fuller. Alright guys, so I finished my left eye, and this is how it looks. I put the 9s on the inside and a few more 9s all throughout. So this way it makes it look more natural. It doesn't look like it's just very rough going from small to big. Now I'm going to do my right eye, and as you can see, I still have some left over from 2 months ago, but I'm just gonna go back and fill it in instead of pulling out these old ones, because last time I tried to pull out the old ones, my real lashes went out with it. So this time I'm not even gonna bother. I'm just gonna fill it in, and hopefully it turns out good. I'll see you soon. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Check out these lashes. Ooh, I really like them. Guys, let me know what you think. This only took me about an hour to apply, but I'm really loving the results. The great thing is that this lasts for up to 2 months, and in between those 2 months, if anything falls off, if you want it to be more intense, you can always add more lashes to it. Because you already bought the equipment, you already have it handy at home, so just fill it in. I think one of my favorite things about this is that I'm not wearing any makeup right now besides the eyebrow tint that I did yesterday and these lashes.